my banana pudding Jar-Faits.
Oh.
Yeah.
It sounds like a name I would,
Yeah, that's your name.
For sure.
I love that.
No
All right.
bananas in fruit salad. Instead, they're in the parfait, where they belong.
That's true, right? Solid, staying solid. Enveloped in creams.
You didn't know I spoke French, right, GZ?
Yeah, you're very French, yeah. I love that idea. As a matter of fact, you know, you see that at breakfast a lot with granola and stuff like that, but it's so smart to do it for dessert.
Oh.
Well done.
Okay, obviously we know parfait, French for perfect, and I'm going to make a banana peanut butter Jar-Fait. Very simple. I want to show you the parts here. So this is just peanut butter that I've mixed with like whipped topping out of the tub. Then I've got some banana pudding. You can make it or just buy it in the tub. Some little mini vanilla wafers, and then obviously some banana. So on the bottom, I want to show you. I like to build the layers. So the first layer I like to put down is I love to dig deep for the peanut butter. And look how it's really nice and kind of mousse-like because we've blended it with the yummy whipped topping. It smells so good. You're gonna just wanna actually start eating it right then and there. Then let's get some bananas into the game plan. I like to use them to push everything down. All right, some vanilla wafers. Just pour them in. Push those down as well. The more the merrier. I love when they're kind of like, you know, sweet nachos. Some are crunchy, some are soft, depending on how much contact they get with the pudding. And then, just over the top, some vanilla. Or you can do banana pudding. You can also go crazy and do chocolate pudding over the top and just have a complete banana chocolate extravaganza. And then you see I scooped out a little bit because I want to leave some room for a little bit of curb appeal. Gotta let them know what you're doing. And there you have it. Now, what makes this great for Mother Nature is it's a jar you can use over and over again. It's really full. But listen, if you don't overfill it like I just did right here, you put the little metal clamps on it and get it right into your cooler. And obviously, it's gonna stay nice and cold because we've got our iced tea packets, and you're good to go for your picnic. What do you think about those Jar-Faits, y'all?
Just eat that one right now, Sonny.
Oh, you don't have to tell me twice. If you haven't mixed peanut butter with whipped topping and dipped any kind of fruit in it, you're not living.